Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video we want to speak about Python and a Flask and how you can use the HTTP cross origin. It's default in the browser now, but back in the time we basically could make the cross-site attack for people. Let's say I'm having a website and then I use your website to load the content into my website. So the only difference from me to you, it's the domain, and then I can steal your customers' passwords and credit cards, something like that. Man-in-the-middle attack. And now it's a default in the browser. If this is not setting up from the server side, then JavaScript directly in the browser will deny the request, and it's not possible any time more. And it's very annoying when you're like me, create an API, other people, doesn't matter which domain you're on, it's allowed to use this API. But it's very good for the normal people that want to be safe on the internet and using modern browsers. So let's working with this, and yeah, let's fix this problem for you and tell you how you can make it safe for you too again. First we need to import this to say from Flask cross import cross, and you probably don't have this module installed, it's a separately library, so we need to install to say pip install Flask cross, and then we install it from the library. Yeah, sorry, it's a spelling error. And then when we have it installed, you can see it's recognized up here, so that's fine. And the next thing we need to do now, it's before calling, after calling the application here, we need to put it inside to say cross and the application, and then we change something with it and then send it out again. And then we say cross here and say app with resources. And then we need the R here. It's a regular expression you're allowed to do, but I doesn't do this right now. Yeah, of course I do, because I'm saying star, that's meaning from the root of the domain and then everything else. But what I mean, I don't use complex here. And then we need the origins, and what we want here is allow every domain. In the perfect world, you of course doesn't do this, because then you have trusted domains, and then you need to change it depending on which domain making the request. But that's how you do it here. This is a sample, and of course I will always recommend you to follow up about the security after. If we starting the application up here, no model, yes, spelling error, perfect. If we're going for the browser now and see what's happening, whoops, you can see the hello world, and if we expect the request here and scrolling down, then you can say access control allowed origin star. If we're going back for the editor and say localhost here and restart the application, you can see it's changed. And we have localhost here, and that's how you can define the domain you want to be trusted on. And if you have an application where people connect from outside in JavaScript, I will recommend you to student this away, because you can get in very hard trouble if you don't know about this. So that's all from me, and I really hope you enjoyed this video and understand what I'm trying to explain for you. And I hope you want to subscribe this channel, to go in the right corner below and then press on the subscribe button. Thank you so much, and I hope you want to type comments if you have something on the heart, and if you like it, just press like and put it for your playlist so you know that for later use. and my code can always be downloaded from GitHub, and the links is down in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for your time. Hope to see you next time, and thank you for the subscription.